guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So I am in the process of decluttering my closet. I did a series like this on my channel about a year ago. It was last summer, so I wanted to do it again. I actually had a request to do it again. So if you don't know, most of my channel is about beauty and makeup, but I do like to do some just like lifestyle type videos occasionally. So that's what we're doing today. These are all of my tops. Everything from like sweaters to tank tops and summery tops, just all of my tops. So we're going to declutter this today. I don't know how much I'm going to be getting rid of, just because I don't have a ton of clothes. I definitely know that I have enough, and I have probably even more than I need, but I don't know how much I'm going to get rid of. So we're just going to go through it. I know I have several things I do want to get rid of, and I feel like now is a good time, especially with like the wintry tops since it's summer now. And so if I need some time to like rebuild my like collection of winter clothing, I have like several months to do that, so hopefully that made sense. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to start with like the lighter weight stuff, and then we'll work our way over here. So these are the three like camisoles that I own, and I'm definitely going to keep all of these because they come in handy. So I'm going to keep those. I'll put keeps over here and things I'm getting rid of over here. This is a top that I got actually last summer. It's just like a summery tank top. I actually think I'm going to get rid of this. I think what I've learned about myself is that I really don't usually like really loose-fitting tops, and this is really loose-fitting, and so I don't really feel excited to wear this, and so I'm going to get rid of it. I think I've just kind of outgrown this style, so get rid of that. This is another tank top. It's kind of like a sweater material tank top. Really cute. I actually just recently got this at TJ Maxx, so I'm going to keep that. This is a really cute tank top that I got at a consignment store. It has like bananas on it. It's super cute, and it's actually from J. Crew, but I of course got it secondhand. I do really like this. It's a nice lightweight material, great for summer keeping. This is another kind of like more dressy tank top, I guess. I'm going to keep this. I got it less than a year ago, I think. I'm going to keep that. This is something I've had since high school, and I always tell myself that I like it and that I'm going to wear it, but then I think the only time I've worn it in the last like 2 years was one time, and I had to like force myself to wear it that time. So it's like a really loose-fitting kind of sheer top. I just don't really like it, so I've had it for a very long time. I'm sure it's gotten enough use from me, so I'm going to get rid of that. So we're just kind of going one by one here. Let's see. This is a top that I also got like last summer, I think. I really like it. It's a little bit more fitted, which I'm learning that I do really like that style now, so I am going to keep that. This you may have actually seen in a Goodwill haul a couple months ago, and I always do this. I buy things, and then after I've worn it a couple times, I realize, wait a second, I don't actually really like this. This is really loose. I don't know, it's pretty, it's a nice material, but it's just, I think it's just a little bit too loose, honestly, so I'm going to get rid of it. Ooh, this feels nice. Okay. I've got a couple of, well, we'll get to it. This is just a regular like V-neck gray t-shirt from Target. I wear these all the time, just kind of like lounging around, or I don't know. These are just really useful, so I'm keeping that. Let's see. This is another gray top. It's got like a little crisscross V-neck thing. I really like this. I got it just recently, so I'm keeping that. And then this was also in that Goodwill haul a while ago. It is quite loose. I do want to try to keep it through the summer and see how much use I get out of it. I think it would be cute kind of tied up into like a crop top with shorts. I think that would be cute. I don't normally go for this kind of color, but I'm gonna try some more with this. I haven't worn it a ton, to be honest, because it's kind of loose, loose fitting, which I don't really always love, but we'll see. I'm gonna keep it at least through the summer. The rest of my short sleeve tops are kind of under here. Alright, there we go. So I've got a couple more of these V-neck tops, a red one and a green one. I'm going to keep both because, again, they're very useful. This is actually meant to be a sleep shirt from the Target Gilligan O'Malley brand. I've had it for a very long time. It has a cute little lace pocket here too. I just really like this. It's really comfy. Sometimes I wear it to sleep, sometimes I just wear it on a normal day, so I'm going to keep that. Let's see. Pretty sure I'm going to be keeping a lot of these, just so you know. This is a little bit more of a nicer material. It's kind of sheer, and it has a little opening in the back with these like gold buttons down the back. Really cute. It's nice for like slightly more dressed up outfits, I guess, so I'm going to keep that. And then this is, this is quite new to me, again, keeping really cute kind of like kimono style top. Also from TJ Maxx, is this like off the shoulder top. I really like this. Although these off the shoulder tops, I see other people wearing them and they just look so effortless and perfect, and then with me, I'm like constantly adjusting the sleeves because they always want to like pop up and go like over my shoulder. So I don't know, is that just me? Do other people have that problem with these? Because I feel like I'm the only one. But I do really like that. It's cute. This is also like a cold shoulder one. I really like that, keeping it. Also keeping, I just recently got that. Okay, I'm probably going to speed through the ones that I know I'm keeping. These are two, now we're getting into more of the long sleeves. These are two long sleeve tops I am going to keep, two of my favorites. This, I think I can part with. This is like a, I don't know, it's like a sheer material, it's got like lace on it. And I don't know, I think I'm ready to get rid of this. I don't know, yeah. It's loose fitting, once again, so. Another loose fitting one I think I'm ready to get rid of is this like dark blue top. It's cute, it's pretty, it's got like, it's like cinched in at the bottom, so it kind of looks like a balloon. Honestly, it's not the most flattering style, on me at least, so I'm going to get rid of that. Couple of long sleeve shirts. Let's see. These, pretty sure I'm going to keep. These are two just like basic long sleeve shirts. They just look really nice with like scarves and stuff. I'm going to keep both of those. And same with this one. This is just kind of like a fitted long sleeve top. It's got this cute like floral pattern. I like it. Gonna keep that. Okay, now we're getting into like sweaters and flannels and stuff. This is a sweater. I think I got this for like $2 on sale at Plato's Closet a while ago. It's, I don't know, it's looking pretty worn and it's a little scratchy. I actually think this has wool in it, which I don't normally like to buy things made of wool. Sometimes if I'm buying it secondhand, it doesn't bother me quite as much, but I don't know, wool, like who decided to wear wool sweaters? I don't know, they're always so itchy on me, so I just don't find that very comfortable. I think I'm going to get rid of this. It is cute, it's like an oversized sweater, but I think I'm kind of over it now. So this is a sweater I think I will keep. I also got this on a really good sale at Plato's Closet. It's probably like $2 or something. It's from American Eagle originally. I really like it. It's kind of like loose. This part is loose, but then the sleeves are a little bit tighter. I like that. Really cute. This is kind of a funky, oversized sweater. It's got this like weird, I don't know, Aztec pattern. I don't know what you'd call that. It's from the brand Flying Tomato. I don't know. I get most of this stuff at like secondhand consignment stores or thrift stores and stuff, but I don't know. I find this sweater really fun. I've had it for several years now, and I still really like it. I don't think I've outgrown it just yet, so I'm going to keep that. Another sweater, this I actually got at Goodwill, it's really nice. It's from Gap, and I just like it. It's like simple but cute. I'm going to keep that. This I got at a friend's party. She had a bunch of clothes just out that she wanted to get rid of, so it was just like a just take whatever you want kind of situation. I took this, and then I never wore it, and it also has a hole in the side. I think what I'm going to do is donate this, but I'm going to sew up the hole first because I don't want to donate something with holes in it. But I don't know, it's really loose fitting on me, and I just don't really think I care for that too much, so I'm going to get rid of it. This is a sweater. I've had this since high school for sure. It's just a gray sweater. It's got these little like holes in it and kind of like a cute pattern in the middle. I don't know, I still like this sweater, so I think I'm going to keep it. It's lasted me quite a while, so. Okay, this sweater, this is from Loft. Bought it secondhand a long time ago. I think I'm going to get rid of it. It's just very like square and loose, and so I think I'm kind of done with that. I wore it a lot, but I'm just ready to part with it now. This, I don't know, I still really like this top. It's kind of weird. It's got like this hourglass shape to it and a really fun kind of like mandala pattern to it. I'm going to keep that for now. These sweaters, I mean, they're not going to get worn for another, like, what is it? It's June now. I mean, I'm probably not even going to break these out until November, so it's kind of hard to think about sweaters right now without, like, getting sweaty just thinking about it, but, and then I've got two flannels. I'm going to keep both of these because they're flannels, and they're cute, and they're comfy to wear when it's chilly out. So, whew, that's everything. Those are all of my tops. I'm going to go ahead and tally up what I'm keeping, what I'm getting rid of. So here's what I'm getting rid of. I'm getting rid of 8, and I'm keeping a lot more than that, I'm sure. And then I'm keeping about 30. That includes like the 3 little tank top like camis that I'm keeping. So keeping 30, getting rid of, what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keeping 30, getting rid of 8. I think that's still pretty good. I mean, so I'm getting rid of like a little over 20%. That's pretty good, I think, considering I don't have like a ton of clothes. So that was really fun. It feels really good to get rid of things that I know I don't really like anymore, that just don't fit me right, whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!